In this lecture, I'll explain you how to calculate present value of annuity due. When we say annuity due, that means the payments are made at the beginning of the year or beginning of the period. Normal in ordinary annuity, payments are made at the end of the year. Whereas in case of a present value annuity due, that is annuity dues, payments are made at the beginning of the period. So I'll show you how to calculate that now. Calculating the present value of annuity due, this equals to present value of annuity at n times 1 plus I, because you are making a payment at the beginning of the period, so we'll add one another rate of interest here. So as you know how to calculate the present value of annuity n, so this is 1 upon I minus 1 upon I times 1 plus I power of n. Present value annuity due will be present value of annuity n times 1 plus I. So in this case our I is rate of return or interest rate is 6%, that is 0.06, and n is each year for 8 years, so n is 8, and payment, this is 100,000, and payment is made in the beginning of the period. So as this is mentioned at beginning of each year, this makes you to calculate the annuity due. Now in step 1, first what we do is we calculate 1 upon I, so this equals to 1 upon 0.06. Next we calculate 1 plus I to the power of n, so this equals to 1.06 to the power of 8, and this comes to 1.06 raised to the power of 8. Then in step 3, calculate I times 1 plus I to the power of n, so this equals to 0.06 times 1.5938, so this is 0.06 times 1.5938, 0.096. Then in step 4, we'll calculate 1 by I into 1 plus I of n, so this equals to 1 upon 0.0956, so this is 1 by 0.0956, so 10.46. so your I minus 1 is 16.67, then this minus 10.46. so present value annuity ordinary, this equals to 16.6667 minus 10.4603, so this comes to 16.667 minus 10.4603, so 6.2064. Then your present value annuity due, this equals to present value annuity times at n, that is ordinary, times 1 plus I, so this equals to 6.2064 times 1.06, and this is 6.2064 into 1.06, 6.5788. so this is your present value annuity due, and your amount is present value annuity amount, this equals to payment times present value annuity due. So payment, as you remember, individual is making a payment of 1 lakh, so 1 lakh or 100,000 times 6.5788, so this comes to 6.5788. So 6,57,880. is the present value of the total payment which an individual is making for 8 years. So in 8 years you can pay, that is in 8 years 8 into 100,000, this gives to 8 lakhs. So every year as an annuity you can pay 1000 and 8 lakhs, or so 6,57,880 as a single payment at the beginning of the lease contract. This is how you calculate the present value of annuity due. Thank you.